The solid-state voltage frequency converter from Larson Electronics is designed for voltage and frequency rectification in industrial locations. The 15 kVA converter comes with an input voltage frequency of 3-phase 208Y and 120 volt at 60 Hz and an output voltage and frequency of 3-phase 400Y and 231 volt at 50 Hz. This unit is mobile via 4 wheels at the bottom of the enclosure. This unit can be used to accurately convert voltages and frequencies in industrial sites. The frequency converter provides robust microprocessor control, true online double conversion, and active input power factor correction. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.